So I got a couple of jokes for you. Alright? First one is for everybody. Don't get all excited. First one is, we all know who General Leia is?
Yes.
We all know who General Leia is? Yeah? What's your favorite place to shop? General Leia's favorite place to shop? Like general store. That'd be a good one. No. Anybody know? You know?
The general store.
General? Are we ready for this?
Cinnabon store?
Are we ready for the answer? Yeah. Star Mall. That's a good one, huh?
Everything's half off.
They maybe there's a general store inside the mall. Okay, next one. We all know what a tauntaun is?
Yep.
Okay. So what's the temperature inside of a tauntaun? Lukewarm. Alright, sir, thank you. Alright, we all know what a Jedi is?
Yes.
What's a Jedi's favorite candy?
Chewy.
No. Anybody else?
I think he knows.
Jedi's favorite candy. I know you want to count. Who said it? Somebody said it. Lightsabers, yes. Yes. Alright. We all know who Darth Vader is?
Yes.
Darth Vader? What's his sister? Darth Vader's sister. Darth Vader's sister. Darth Vader's sister? Are we all ready for this? Yeah. It's Elevator. Here all day.
We're in the field. Come pick away from us.
Yes. I'm gonna choose you. So you want to see one of our fist bumps that we do here? I'm about to.
No, or the
Go ahead
tauntaun.
and make this one. Straight out like this. It's a typewriter.
I love it.
We're the veal.
Jeremiah has his process.
Welcome to Savi's workshop. First and foremost, I apologize for rushing you all in so quickly. You see, the first order came in a few weeks ago and we must be very, very cautious as to whom we let into our workshop. Yes, I know, I'm not just looking at you, I'm looking at him too. Eyes on them. Now, yes, you're looking around. I know some of you are noticing our junk outside, but to us, this is our history. This is our homework, everything. Where are my manners? With us today, we have Adam and we have Megan. My name is Priscilla, and together we humbly call ourselves the Gatherers. Now, as Gatherers, we venture far across the galaxy, towards foreign planets, abandoned outposts, fallen starships, and forgotten ancient temples, both Jedi and Sith. And all the precious metals and relics that you see here, we bring it back here and bring it here for you. Now, as you may have seen from the outside, we are in troubled times, and the Force is greatly imbalanced. But you know where? Because in troubled times, legends rise. Legends perhaps you've heard of, like Luke Skywalker. We've heard of him, yes? Yes. Wonderful. And now we have a new hero amongst us. Does anybody know her name?
Ray.
Ray. She is a spark of hope, just like all of you. And just like Ray and Luke, you too have answered a call. That call brought you here about you. To build this. A lightsaber. It is elegant and mysterious. It has been wielded by some of the greatest heroes and the darkest of their enemies. They say building a lightsaber is a lost ancient art form. We have preserved that art form for all of you. We believe by preserving our past, we can ensure our future. And as with any journey, we must begin somewhere. Our journey begins with this. The Kyber crystal. Now, the Kyber crystal is the heart of your lightsaber. It channels the force, magnifies it to powers unimaginable. And the color of your crystal will depict the color of your blade. Now the gatherers and myself have gone through a lot to gather these for you. But we'll bring back 4. 4 beginning with blue. Once wielded by Master Obi-Wan Kenobi, his young apprentice Anakin Skywalker, and now Rey. Sparkle. Green. Qui-Gon Jinn, Ahsoka Tano, Master Yoda himself, and Luke Skywalker. Violet. The most rare and beautiful amongst the galaxy, wielded by Master Mace Windu.
Yes.
And the red. The crystal of power. Darth Vader, Darth Maul, Asajj Ventress. And now, Kylo Ren. Builders, these are the stories of the past, and we're here for you, our future. So please, may I have you all close your eyes? Close your eyes. And think deep down inside which color calls to you. Hold on to that color and preserve it into your heart, for the kyber crystal is the heart of your lightsaber. Now, builders, open your eyes and reach out for the color that you have held on to. Once you receive your kyber crystal, please place it onto the green holder at your workstation. Yeah, there's no doubt about that.
There's the banana.
We're gonna have a staring competition. Are you ready, Pillar? Wonderful. Now, you'll need a place to harness your kyber crystal. So, the gatherers and myself are going to go around and hand out in front of you the selections you previously made. Now, all of these components create your hilt. And the hilt is the foundation for your lightsaber. It is the control center. And it also keeps your hands from getting disintegrated. Each one is different and unique on its own. However, your components are the same. Such a hard left, everyone has a chassis. In 1 and 2, you have 4 sleeves, you'll choose 2. In number 3, you have an emitter which will emit your blade. And in 4, your pommel has your power source. And number 5, your activation switches. Now, should you have any questions along the way, the gatherers and myself are here to assist you. So builders, are we ready to build?
Yes.
Okay, let's build. Alright, builders. Let's get started. Hello, builders. We're going to start with
that part.
If you feel inside of this,
Where's he gonna put the crystal?
In the center of your chassis. Make sure that it lights up and you're able to spin it. Go ahead and use that button on the inside and push up with it with your crystal and slide your crystal in.
How do we get it in there?
That's the hardest part.
The button right on the top.
Have you done this before?
I've built.
Right on the inside.
Okay.
This button on the top.
Manual is you now.
All right, so next you're gonna just fix stuff up.
Alright, now. Okay. So next, you want to
I'm not
activate
getting
your
it
blade.
right here.
On this side. You're
Does it go bottom? This goes to the top?
If you look on the
just
inside
slide
of
it
your
in.
screen,
Make sure it lights
red
up.
tab, 1 blue tab. You will match that up to the red and blue tab that is on your tab. This is here.
I can't get, I'm not gonna do
Alright, so next let's move on to our activation place. Column 5. You have 2 sets of activation places.
So now we're going to move to section 5. Section 5 is about 2 sets of activation plates. One's going to go on the inside of the plate, red square, and white square. The side of the red square, red square. So we're matching each other. Red up to you ready. When I close that high, you will even save. Do you need assistance?
We gotta defect the crystal.
Doesn't matter which one I'm going I'm gonna place that here. You're behind me. Push through where my fingers and my thumb is on the top. Like that. Almost.
Yeah, it's not. None of them are working. Thank you.
Now you're gonna go ahead and choose one matching set of activation.
That goes. This goes first.
You're gonna line up the red and the blue on the inside with the red and the blue that's on your chest.
Well, pick one you like more.
She said.
Blue to blue, red to red. Like on the side.
So you line it up with the red and the blue on the inside, so the red and the blue on your chest, right?
Same thing.
See the red and the blue markings there, and the red and the blue inside. Alright, good job. Now you're gonna go ahead and choose two out of these four, whichever one you want. One for the bottom and one for the top.
This one's the top.
And this
Matter.
This has to be on the inside, okay? You can mix them however you want. Whichever one you want on top, whichever one you want on the bottom, alright?
Making sure that the thicker metal band that faces the center.
Oh. Like this?
Flip it.
Which goes on the top of one.
There you go. Exactly what she said.
Okay.
Alright, one more for the top, whichever one you want. You have three to choose from.
This one's cool.
Okay.
Kind of matches gold on the other.
Yeah.
You can make it nice and fancy. The other way.
Thought I had
There
it.
you go. Now you're gonna hold them both together. You're gonna tighten them. Nice and tight.
Now go to tighten it to the right.
Okay.
Alright, you're gonna hold them both together and you're gonna tighten them.
Go to the bottom where your
Okay. Now you're gonna go ahead and choose one of these two right here for your top piece.
It's okay. No Jedi know how to build their save the first
That one looks like an arc reactor.
I've heard so many stories.
Nope. You're gonna put that on the bottom.
Now we're gonna go to section 3. You're gonna choose an emitter from the top.
One on the top and one on the bottom.
I'm choosing emitter from
One on
number
the
3.
top and one on the bottom. And flip your bottom. Good job. Flip your bottom piece. Flip it. There you go. Alright, good job. See, you're a pro. And then you're going to hold them both together and you're going to tie them simultaneously. And now let's check it out. Just don't aim at me again, okay?
See,
All right.
I wasn't so sure. I see the
And this is your activation switch right here.
no.
Alright, good job.
But you have a lot of
That's it, then.
with these. I wasn't sure which order.
Alright, now you're going to choose one of these two right here for your top.
Very nice.
Always best to choose.
Okay, we don't judge you here. Now you'll need to call once you're finished satisfied, but then place it on your
And then you're going to choose one of these two right here for your bottom.
Put it there.
And never, ever look down the back
Always nice for someone who supports the Empire.
I'm sorry?
Always nice for someone who supports the Empire.
I gotta take this away now.
What color is your crystal? What is that?
Marriage. Union.
Oh! Yes! You have badges for being
Or should I go the other way? This is going this way.
I was just so curious.
fantastic.
How heavy is it? Oh my god, that is heavy.
Really? This is cool? This is cool.
I love it.
This is our workshop. The door's right there.
I think it looks great.
It could be anywhere.
Okay, it's not been stabilized yet.
Oh, snap.
I think it's the best in resistance fashion.
Rip it up to your axis.
Thank you so much, sir. So you support this
Of course.
He says we're going to
It's an illusion.
What about you?
I love it.
I test you all. Whatever. I'll inspect yours.
I have R2, so.
Working on yours. So when the time comes,
Yep. Yeah, okay.
her hair.
My friend Kyle will be here.
What are we doing over here?
I'm a little nervous about it.
Yeah. Looks like
Hmm?
Going up and the snaps like this, and the other one's going to go up. You have to take it apart.
pieces called out to you.
I don't think you can.
Yeah.
Professionally, carefully. Or you could use the bigger backpack and put your thing in there.
Completely in the shape.
Yeah, I might have to put that.
Do you know what causes those holes in the wall?
That.
Exactly.
Maybe he's gonna figure out why he's missing an ear. He's looking down. What's his ear?
I need a shave.
Okay, that's one use for it.
Okay. My bad. Come on. May I have everyone take a large step back, please? Large step back.
Oh.
Now the gatherers are going to go around placing your hilts into the crystal stabilization chamber. We must make sure the emitter matrix is not inverted, as that may cause an explosion. Now, as you can tell, hopefully you can tell, we are not force sensitive. We're just humble gatherers. So we rely on technology to do this.
You're done.
Good luck over there, James.
All I heard was something explosion. No more please, because I can't afford to lose more here.
No, we're fine. We're totally fine. I'm sorry. You look beautiful today. Thank you. You're welcome. I like the bun. Something new.
I guess so.
Adam, you're right. Don't
Well done. Chosen a touch with skill you have. Chosen with heart. When joined they are, much more they will become. For you, it is time.
Wow. Master Yoda, truly, you were the ones called here by the Force today. But indeed, it is time. It's time to forge the bond between Builder and Saber. So in just a moment, on my mark, it's okay, let your emotions go. We're going to take a large step forward, place our hand on our hilts, and together as one we will activate. So please, take a large step forward, hand on your hilt, and activate.
Oh my god.
Raise your sabers high. You have just built a lightsaber. Like the Jedi and the Sith that come before you.
Dad.
And like them, you too can change the galaxy. Remember, it only takes a spark.
Wait, do that again.
Well done.
Oh, got it.
Please lower and deactivate your sabers.
Okay.
The bond is complete.
Complete your lightsaber is. Light your path. Choose your path. Only you can. May the Force be with you.
Thank you, Master Yoda. And thank you, builders, for seeking us out today. You have each created a lightsaber that is beautiful and unique, just like every one of you. However, in your hands, you hold remarkable power. And remarkable power should not be dropped on the ground, Adam. Protect